Welcome to Mega Auto World, where today we unveil something that feels like a dream brought to life, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. This is not just a luxury vehicle, it's a moving palace on wheels, redefining what it means to travel in ultimate comfort and style. Rolls-Royce has always been the pinnacle of prestige, and now they have taken their legendary craftsmanship into the world of motorhomes, creating something truly spectacular. From the very first glance, the exterior commands attention. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille sits proudly at the front, surrounded by sleek LED matrix headlights that carry the unmistakable Spirit of Ecstasy emblem. The body is sculpted with elegant lines that whisper sophistication, while the two-tone paintwork and hand-polished chrome accents elevate it to a level of artistry only Rolls-Royce can achieve. Measuring over 40 feet, it maintains the grandeur of a luxury yacht while gliding across the open road with unmatched grace. Step inside, and you are welcomed into a world that rivals the most opulent five-star suites. Rolls-Royce has used only the finest materials. Hand-stitched leather sourced from the best tanneries, rare wood veneers polished to a mirror finish, and custom crystal lighting that casts a warm, inviting glow. Every detail is handcrafted with obsessive precision, from the cashmere ceiling lining to the personalized monograms on the lounge seating. This is not just a motorhome interior, it is a sanctuary of elegance. The living space is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. A full-length panoramic window offers breathtaking views of the journey, while the plush seating area can transform into a private cinema with a 70-inch retractable OLED screen and a state-of-the-art surround sound system. The gourmet kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop, wine cooler, and smart refrigeration that adapts to your travel plans. When it comes to rest, the master suite is nothing short of royal. A king-sized bed with memory foam and temperature-regulating fabrics ensures a perfect night's sleep. The en-suite bathroom rivals those of luxury hotels, featuring a rainfall shower with mood lighting, Italian marble counters, and gold-plated fixtures. Rolls-Royce even offers bespoke customization, so every owner can tailor the motorhome to their unique taste and lifestyle. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a next-generation hybrid V12 engine paired with advanced electric motors. This combination delivers whisper-quiet performance and effortless power, ensuring a smooth ride no matter the terrain. With cutting-edge air suspension and adaptive cruise technology, it feels as if you are floating on a cloud, even on the longest journeys. Safety and technology are equally impressive. The vehicle comes equipped with Rolls-Royce's latest autonomous driving features, AI-assisted navigation, and a 360-degree camera system for stress-free maneuvering. The onboard smart control system can be operated by voice or smartphone, giving you complete command over lighting, climate, and entertainment with ease. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than transportation, it is an experience of pure indulgence and freedom. It redefines road travel and sets a new benchmark in luxury living. This is the future of mobile elegance, and it's only from Rolls-Royce. Stay tuned to Mega Auto World for more incredible automotive innovations, and let us know, would you take your next adventure in a masterpiece like this?